Longines is redefining luxury timepieces with the PrimaLuna's bold new sapphire bezel. This isn't just a watch, it's a celestial masterpiece. But here's where it gets controversial. While the brand has long celebrated feminine elegance through its moon-inspired designs, this year's redesign challenges traditional notions of luxury by replacing diamonds with sapphires in a way that feels both innovative and divisive. Let's break it down. First introduced in 2009, the PrimaLuna collection was born from a simple yet powerful idea: to capture the soft, timeless beauty of the moon. Its name, meaning first moon, reflects this celestial theme, evident in its curved cases, moon phase complications, and intricate gem setting. Over the years, it's evolved into one of Longines' most iconic women's lines, offering both quartz and automatic movements. Yet, this year's redesign feels like a radical departure from the past. The new PrimaLuna features a refined case profile. Previous versions leaned toward rounder, bulkier shapes, but the 2025 version introduces a more streamlined, softer domed surface that catches light in a way that feels almost magical. The crown has been redesigned to resemble a bubble, echoing the full moon's gentle curve, while the moon phase complication remains a standout feature. At its heart lies the self-winding L899.5 caliber, a 2023 innovation known for its silicon balance spring, which boosts magnetic resistance and provides up to 72 hours of power reserve. This is the same movement that powers Longines' flagship Heritage collection. But the real star of the show is the sapphire-set bezel. For the first time in the PrimaLuna's history, 48 sapphires are arranged in subtle gradations of blue, totaling 1.6 carats. These stones, rated 9 on the Mohs scale for their durability, were chosen not just for their brilliance, but for their ability to mimic the infinite variations of twilight skies, a nod to the watch's lunar theme. The blue mother-of-pearl dial, adorned with 14 diamond indexes, completes the look with a matching pearly blue leather strap. It's a design that balances understated sophistication with bold creativity. Yet, this redesign isn't without controversy. While some admire the sapphire's vibrant hues and durability, others argue that diamonds have long been the standard for luxury gem setting. Is this a step forward or a departure? What do you think? The PrimaLuna's new sapphire bezel is a bold statement. Is it truly honor the collection's roots or redefine what luxury can mean? Share your thoughts in the comments below.